It is summertime, and in the summertime my hair gets wet and it coils up, and I don't like that look, especially when I want my baby hairs to look like this. So I'm going to show you guys exactly what I do, and yes, you did read the title correctly. We will be perming our adult hairs. Alright you guys, so it's hot outside. I've decided to perm my baby hairs. I've done this before. This is how I keep my edges sleek in the summertime. My hair, when it gets wet, it coils up, it shrinks. And sometimes even when I put on gel, it shrinks it up. And then my baby hairs never get how I want them to get. And that is why I perm them. This is the smallest container I could find. It was $5 plus tax at the beauty supply store. Boom, 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 boom. And it comes with this, and some neutralizing shampoo. Also a stick to mix and some gloves in here on the directions. Before mixing, put on the gloves in the kit. Pour the entire contents of activator B into the base and mix thoroughly with the wooden spatula. This is a lot. Oh, I actually didn't need this much, but I couldn't find a smaller container. And you can't save it for later, so I only really need what's at the top anyway. I'm not even using this whole thing. Real quick, I'm just gonna take back off the gloves and I'll show y'all my bangs for baby hairs. And that's what I call them because they really are bangs for baby hairs. I don't know if you guys can even tell, but it just sweated out. So like, this is all just sweated out hair with gel on it. And it's a little permed already. Like these, I don't know if you can tell, but like the super straight strands are permed already. But I'm just gonna perm it again because I got so much, like, all this is fuzz, like, and it's a no for me. So I'm putting some Vaseline on my hair, and I'm gonna try to be sure that it doesn't get on my hair, because last time I did that I had some Vaseline on my hair and that hair didn't get permed. The Vaseline acted as a barrier for it to not get permed. So now I'm just gonna try to make sure I just get it on my skin. But also, since this is the front of my hair and this is technically new growth, I won't need to leave it on for as long as I would have as if I was doing my whole head. Let's get started. Oh no, I got my head. These gloves are too big. Trying to get as close to the root as possible because that's what, you know, be shriveling up and stuff. Looks kind of smooth, so now I'm probably just gonna leave it on until it starts to burn, or maybe like 10 minutes. Then we're gonna go downstairs and rinse it off. And look at my bangs for baby hairs, for real. Yeah. So today I'm gonna be using Extreme Styling Gel, and it's just a clear gel. So this is the finished product. Y'all let me know what y'all think. I mean, it don't really matter because I like it. So yeah, this is how I like to do my baby hairs, you know, so my forehead, my bangs for baby hair, so that my forehead is not all the way out. You feel me? Yeah, I like it. So yes, you guys, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know what you think. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. My Instagram is down below, and I'll see you guys in my video. Bye. Y'all see how long my nails grew? That's crazy. Probably. Thumbnail.